2000 Lincoln Continental 4.6. Changing the AC blender door actuator, AC heat blender door actuator. Seen a couple videos on YouTube, and they didn't really show me like how to do this at all, except for really one. The guy damn near tore apart his whole daggone dashboard trying to get this thing out, but that ain't what you gotta do, and you ain't gotta take out the middle console neither. What I did was took out the glove compartment, took out the glove compartment, pressed the little things in on the side of the glove compartment so it could come all the way down. Then once you do that, well, before you do that, anyway, you gotta take. Got that rain, and I did this in the rain, so rain. Get my umbrella. But before you take out the glove compartment, before you even take it down, take out these 3 screws at the bottom. Take them out, which is gonna be 7mm. 3 screws at the bottom. Take them out. Then once you finish that, then open the glove compartment. And once you open it, press the little black tabs in on the sides of it, so it could come all the way down. Once it come all the way down, get this string that's hooked to the side of it, this little lever, pop that out. Pop it out. You basically got to push it up first, and then it'll come right out. Once you get that out, then pull your glove compartment all the way out the way. Set it in the back seat or something. Next, take if you got a drill gun or something like that, take a drill gun, drill through there with some drill bits or something. Basically, create a hole right here. Create a hole, a big enough hole so your hand can get through there. And once you do, you'll be able to see the actuator right here. That's the actuator. That's the plug, white plug, and that's an 8mm bolt. There's 4 8mm bolts on this actuator. Okay, 4. One right here, one at the bottom, and 2 on the other side. Okay, so it's 4mm bolts. Then you got a little plate right here. This little plate, you have to take that off before you get the actuator. Before you can get the actuator all the way out, you have to take this plate off, and that's another 8mm bolt right here. So it's total 5 bolts you have to take out to get this actuator out, and that's the other bolt up there to the actuator, up there right here, and that's hooked to this plate too. So both of these bolts got to come out before you can get the actuator all the way out. Okay, and don't worry about that. This lever right here, that belongs right there on that lever. That lever belongs on that lever that's back there. So don't mess with that. Basically, that's it. That's it. Create a hole right here so you can be able to access that bolt up there, that top bolt. Once you get the actuator out, you might have to play with it a little bit and it'll pop right out. Make sure you're looking at this the old actuator. Make sure you're looking at the way the shaft is turned, so you'll know which way to turn it to get it in there, because this tab is going to be identical to the same tab that's in there on the HVAC box. So you got to put it in there the same way that tab is facing. So you're gonna look in this hole, take a flashlight, look in that hole, and look at that the tab on the HVAC box, and see which way it's turned. That way you'll be able to put this thing right in there with no problem, because you might have to twist it a little bit and push it in or whatever, but you'll get it in there. Just make sure they're facing the same way, so you can push it up in there. Other than that, that's all I got for you. That's the easiest way you can do it without taking everything down, taking your whole dashboard down. Create a hole right there, and you'll be able to see that thing. only thing else you gotta do is, like I said, put your hand up in between there and you'll feel everything. You'll feel the whole thing. So that's that. 2000 Lincoln Continental. Heating, AC blended door actuator. Heat AC blended door actuator.